We're gonna roll the spine now. I've got my 2 balls in the tote, and I'm going to show you here on the mat, but this can be quite intense for some. So if that's the case, I want you to roll up against a wall. Just find a nice flat wall and put the balls in the exact same position and use these same arm movements. There's no real difference except it's going to take the pressure off. The other awesome place to do this is in bed. Same movements, but even lighter pressure. So if you're particularly tense in the shoulders or the middle back, take it to the bed. It's such a nice way to wake up in the morning or even fall asleep at night. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is place the balls right at where a shirt collar would be for a t-shirt. And then I'm going to lay down. As always, now I could put a pillow behind me, and that would be quite nice as well, and that takes a little bit of pressure off. I'm going to start with my sustained compression, and I'm just going to breathe. I've got my feet a little bit hip width apart or a little bit wider, and my knees come in together so that I can truly relax my entire body through here. And I'm really focusing on everything relaxing. After several breaths, and it's all going to depend on how many you need, the option is, and this is just an option, you could just lay here, but the option is to raise the hands up. Using the breath, we're going to drop the arms down, raise the arms back up. Now I can also go all the way down here, or I could just stop here. I'm going to cross the arms over. I'm going to roll my whole body to one side, my whole body to the other side, and do that again. And when I say whole body, actually, I'm just saying the upper torso area. The part that I'm hugging is moving. My hips are staying down. And then I'm going to reach up, down, and I'm going to move slightly so that the balls are rolling down my spine about an inch or so. I'm going to start again with this sustained compression and breath. Everything is relaxed. I'm going to raise the arms up, really reach them, drop them back down, and above the head. There's no right or wrong to this. It's up to you just to play with it. You don't have to do your arms the way that I'm doing. Find what works for you. The way that I teach this is very internal, so it's whatever works for you. Just go with your gut. All right, so I've moved down again. I'm taking this nice and slow. I'm using my breath. I'm rolling side to side. There's no hurry. I'm not thinking about what I'm going to do after this is done. I'm just relaxing in the moment, side to side. You might hear a little bit of popping and cracking as things move into place for you again. And you're just going to continue this same movement all the way down. When you get to the 2 bottom ribs, which are your floating ribs, you're going to stop just before that. It would probably be fine, but let's just not risk it. So stop right before the 2 floating ribs, then feel the ease of movement when you're all done. Kind of get the body moving a little bit. It's going to feel so nice.